Hey there, sunshine seekers! Are you wondering what fun things you can do this summer to make it the best one yet? Well, you're in the right place. Because I've got a whole list of fresh, exciting, and relaxing ideas that are perfect for summer days, weekends, or even last-minute getaways. Of course, we're kicking things off with the ultimate summer staple, the beach. Whether you're heading to the coast or just chilling poolside, one thing's for sure, you need to protect your skin. So, before you even pack your beach bag, check out my Sun is Out, Protect Your Skin blog post for all the essentials you'll need to stay safe under the sun. Link is in the description below. Now, while you're soaking in that summer sun, why not dive into a good book too? One of my top summer reads right now is The Summer Pact, a heartfelt story about four college friends navigating life, love, and loyalty, a decade after making a pact during a tragic time. It's emotional, real, and perfect for those summer evenings when you just want to get lost in a story. And if you're looking for something a little more playful with a splash of romance, check out Just for the Summer. Imagine this. Two people with the worst dating luck decide to fake date each other. Just for 4 dates? What could possibly go wrong? This one has humor, heart, and a great message about healing and love. Okay, who's ready to play? If you've got a backyard or a nearby park, this awesome cornhole game is a must. It's lightweight, super easy to set up, and even comes with LED lights so the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Perfect for family barbecues, game nights, or just some friendly competition. Now, if you've got access to a pool, or know someone who does, make a splash with this swimming pool basketball game. It comes with a hoop, 2 water basketballs, and a pump. Whether you're forming teams or going one-on-one, it turns your average swim into a full-on pool party. Let's talk food. Because what's summer without delicious bites? For healthy and tasty ideas, check out my easy veggie recipes and homemade light desserts blog posts. And if you're planning a cookout, you have to try something new from my special recipes for National Grilling Month. Trust me, your guests will be asking for seconds. All the links are in the description below. Craving a little adventure? You don't have to go far. Plan a weekend camping trip. A staycation, or even a one-day road trip to somewhere you've never explored. Just be flexible and think outside the box. If you're looking for inspiration, check out my blog post, Celebrate American Adventure Month by planning some trips in the USA for some unforgettable trip ideas. So there you have it, my go-to ideas for a fun, relaxing, and adventure-filled summer. Whether you're lounging with a book, grilling something tasty, or splashing around with friends, make this summer yours. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description for the books, games, recipes, and more. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know what your summer plans look like. Like, comment, and subscribe for more summer fun ideas, product picks, and lifestyle tips. See you next time.